We can't.
Oh, yes, we can. I just gotta wing it. What's going on here? I'm just gonna wing it. No worries, I'm just gonna wing it.
Stop robbing your future self and start reaching your financial goals with Personal Capital. See your net worth in real time and track all your finances from one place. Get deep insights to put your financial future on track and keep it there. Compare mutual funds and uncover hidden fees that can eat away at your retirement, as well as your tolerance. You can even get a dedicated advisor obligated to act in your best interest who looks at all aspects of your financial life. Sign up now for free and start taking care of yourself, not to mention all your future selves. Personal Capital, the modern way to manage and track your net worth.